Hi everybody, I'm Shirlz. Welcome to my Dazzled Nails channel. Today we're going to be creating beautiful Labradorite nails that are sleek, exquisite, and easier to create than you can imagine. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, I will see you soon.
What the Labradorite looks like. It is exquisite, it's sleek, and it's really easy to make. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the Beetles black nail gel polish, and you're going to want to cover the entire nail just like this. Okay, and then once we've covered it, we're going to cook it for 30 seconds. And while that is getting ready, we are going to be using the chrome powder, and everything here will be linked in the description below. And I absolutely love this stuff. It covers beautifully. I've been learning so many wonderful tricks to use with this. You're absolutely going to love it. Okay, so now that that is cooked, what we're going to do is you can take your brush and you're going to just completely cover the nail just like this. Make sure you get the sides, the front. Just 1, 2, 3, and it's done. Just like that. Okay, so now that we've got that taken care of, you want to take your brush, just brush it over, make sure you've got no extra parts in there, no dust. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take that Beetles black polish again, and we're just going to put a little bit here on this palette. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go around the entire nail, just like this. And don't worry about it being perfect, because every imperfection on the stone is what makes it perfect, because it's natural. So you just want to cover it like this, right along the edges. You want to go around the entire nail, just like this. Doesn't have to be, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure you get all sides. Okay, and it should look like that. Now, once you've gotten that done, you take your brush and you just completely, from the sides, like swish it over, just like that. See? And it'll blend in its own way. And you get the black line off of there. And you do the same thing with the front, the sides, in the bottom of the nail. And then you can just go over to it like this if you want, although it's not really necessary. And look how beautiful this is turning out. Okay, so we're going to cook this for 30 seconds. And while that's cooking, I will be using LuLaa's top coat, and the link will also be in the description below. But it's really great. I love this stuff. Okay. Okay, now once you've done that, you take your top coat and you just cover the top of your nail, just like this. And usually when I do the top coat, I'll cook it for like 60 seconds, since it is a top coat. I'm going to cook that for 60 seconds, and here you are, a beautiful dazzled nail. Just like the other one. You'll find these soon on my website, and I hope this was helpful to you. And again, if you like what you saw, Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.